Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Samsung's latest foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With new competitors like the Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open heating up the market, does the Z Fold 6 still hold its ground? Let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is officially here, and it's got some big shoes to fill. With the Pixel Fold and OnePlus Open already established, Samsung had to up its game, but has it managed to bring enough improvements from last year's Z Fold 5? Let's see. Design-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks quite similar to its predecessor, but with a few notable tweaks. It's slightly wider and shorter when unfolded, making it feel more balanced. Plus, it's lighter and thinner, weighing just 8.4 ounces and 0.22 inches thinner when open. Both phones feature a 7.6-inch internal foldable display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. But the Z Fold 6 takes it up a notch with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits compared to the Z Fold 5's 1,750 nits. The cover display is also a bit larger at 6.3 inches. Samsung has emphasized durability with the Z Fold 6. It's built with Armor aluminum 10% stronger than before and features a new dual rail hinge that's twice as strong as the Z Fold 5's flex hinge. The phone also boasts an IP4A rating for water and dust resistance, up from the IPX8 rating on the Z Fold 5. The camera setup hasn't changed much, still sporting a 50MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP zoom lenses. However, the ultra-wide lens now supports 4K recording at 60 FPS with improved low-light performance. Samsung's software enhancements continue to deliver impressive image quality. On the software front, the Z Fold 6 introduces some cool features like Interpreter Mode, Sketch-to-Image, and Enhanced Portrait Studio. And with Samsung's Galaxy AI, these tools are more powerful than ever. Under the hood, the Z Fold 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, promising top-notch performance. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience, especially for gaming with its optimized Vulkan API and larger vapor cooling chamber. Battery life remains at 4,400 mAh, but thanks to the new chipset's efficiency, we expect it to last even longer than the Z Fold 5. Charging speeds are still at 25W, which isn't groundbreaking but gets the job done. Now let's talk about the price. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 starts at $1,899 for the 256GB model, a $100 increase from last year. It's available in Silver Shadow, Pink Navy, Craft Black, and Purity White if you buy direct from Samsung. Pre-orders are open until July 23rd, with general availability starting July 24th. So is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 worth the upgrade? If you're coming from the Z Fold 5, the differences might seem minor, but the improved durability, brighter display, and enhanced software features make it a compelling choice. However, the higher price tag is something to consider. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.